A very good morning to one and all present here. I, Prachi Sonapne, welcome all the dignitaries, director academics, coordinators, teachers, and my dear students. Children, mathematics is all around us. As we discover more and more about maths, we see in our environment and surroundings that nature can be described mathematically. The beauty of flowers, the majesty of tree, even the rocks upon which we walk can exhibit nature's sense of symmetry. Children, after a successful year of e-maths quiz competition, let's make this year also memorable. Children, I am so excited for today's maths quiz competition, and I'm sure you all are too, right? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, very nice.
Yes, ma'am.
Children, so I would like all of you to sit comfortable, feel relaxed and enjoy. Let me now introduce you all with the team and team members here. So here is first, the team is Cygnus House and the members are Master Aro Ambadkar, Master Darshil Khare, Miss Havisha Dalal, Miss Yomi Ravindran. So give a big round of applause for everybody. Very nice. The next house is Pegasus House and the team members are Master Harshit Badajena, Miss Mridu Sinha, Master Swarup Mukherjee, Miss V. Ragvi. So give them a big round of applause for them also. Next house is Delphinus and the team members are Master Aro Virkar, Miss Arya Prabhu, Master Aryan Moon, Miss Mahika Machiwal. Give them a big round of applause. And the next house is Phoenix House. The team members are here, Master Adya Methe, Miss Ashia Mohta, Master Anmol Shukla, and Miss Yona Chiramal. Children, give a really big round of applause for each and every member of the team. So children, let's start with the round. Let me tell you that here are 4 rounds and there will be sub-rounds, general round, picture perfect, coding and decoding, and rapid fire round. These are the 4 rounds will be here. General instructions. Children, please listen carefully. The general instructions are, each house will unmute themselves and only when question is asked to that particular house, they have to answer. No extra time will be given after the completion of allotted time limit to answer a particular question. If 2 students will answer differently for same question from the same house, then they have to decide and give the final answer. Yes? Next, no prompting is allowed. Otherwise, marks will be deducted. I believe this is clear with everyone. Next is instruction for general round. Each team would be asked 4 questions and these questions are of objective question type. For every question, 10 marks will be awarded for the correct answer and no negative marking for wrong answers. Next, if a team cannot answer the question, then the question would not be forwarded to the next team. Answering time is only 30 seconds. So children, you have to be very quick within the 30-second timing, right? The correct answer shall be declared only after 30 seconds. So children, let me tell you, this is a general round where we have sub-rounds and there will be 4 rounds. As you can see, in general round 1, round 2 and round 3, round 4 is here. So let's start with round 1. Round 1 is shapes. This question is for only Cygnus House. So children, are you ready? Cygnus House. The first question is, how many squares are there? And your time starts now. Come on, give the answer.
6.
6. Still you have 20 seconds, so you can count squares.
6.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Count the square. Still you have 10 seconds. Discuss with your team members if you want. 5, 4, final answer.
8.
Oh, time up, time up. And the correct answer is 11 squares. So if you count, see this, here are 11 squares. Next question is for Delphinus house. How many triangles are there?
Ma'am, Cygnus gave correct answer.
No, ma'am. It was 11 answer. The answer was incorrect.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. So Delphinus, it's your chance now. Count the triangles.
8. Ma'am, 8.
So your answer is 8. Okay. Are you sure about the answer? Still you have 20 seconds.
Yes, ma'am. 8.
Yes. You can think and you can discuss with your team members if you want. And Delphinus house, the correct answer is 8 triangles are here. Well played. Very good. Very nice. Correct answer. Next question for Pegasus house. How many squares are there? So you need to count the square and tell me how many squares are here. Come on, Pegasus.
8. Ma'am, 10.
The time starts now, children. The timing is here.
10 squares. Ma'am, 10 squares, ma'am. Ma'am,
You
10.
can count. If you want, you can discuss. Your thinking capacity is 10. See and count. Are you sure? Pegasus house.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, so still we have 8 seconds. After that, I'll reveal the answer. 3, 2, 1. And the correct answer is 10 squares. Well played, Pegasus house. Very good.
Thank
The
you,
answer
ma'am.
is correct. Very good, very good. Next is for Phoenix house. How many triangles are there? And your time starts now. So Phoenix house, you can count the triangles. See the triangles, how many are there? You have 20 seconds. Discuss with your team members and see.
6.
Are you sure about the answer?
6.
Are you sure about the answer?
6. Ma'am, 6.
6. Final answer?
Yeah.
Alright. So Phoenix
Six.
house, the correct answer is 6 triangles. Well played. Very good. Very nice. So let's go to the round 2 where finding the numbers. So you have to find the numbers. And the question is for only Cygnus house. Harry had 6 siblings who were all born 2 years apart. The youngest is Richa, who is only 7 years old, while Harry is the oldest. What is Harry's age? 13, 17, 19, 15. The timing is going. So
17. B. 17.
you have 18 seconds. Team members can also discuss.
20. 17.
Sure.
17.
Correct answer will give you marks. Otherwise, no marks.
19.
All right. Time up. Time up. And Cygnus, the correct answer is 19. Very good. Very nice. Excellent. Next. The next question is for Pegasus. I am a 3-digit number. My ones place is the greatest 1-digit number. My tens place is 7, less than my ones place. My hundreds place is 3, more than tens place. So the number is, and your options are here, 234, 529.
529.
Yes, Pegasus.
529.
529.
529. 529.
If your answer is correct, you will get marks. Otherwise, so you can discuss. You still have time. What is that? Final answer is?
Ma'am, 529.
Excellent, Pegasus. Your answer is correct. It is 529. Well played. Very good. Next question is for Delphinus house. Sally is 54 years old and her mother is 80. How many years ago was Sally's mother 3 times her age? It's 40, 39, 42 or 41. It's very nice and interesting question, Delphinus. You can discuss with your friends. So we have still few seconds are remaining. Correct answer will give you 10 marks more. Yes, Delphinus, come on. We have 17 seconds, 16 seconds. You can discuss with the team members. Come on, Delphinus, 8 seconds more. Any one of you can answer. 3, 2, 1, and time up. So you were not able to give the answer. Let me tell you, the answer was 41, but Delphinus has not given the answer, so no score. Okay. Anyway, let's go to the next one, Phoenix House. X is a 3-digit number. The tens digit is 5 more than the 1 digit. The 100 digit is 8 less than the tens digit. What is X? 194, 391, 364, 383. Come on, Phoenix House. You can discuss with your team members what you can see here. 20 seconds. Come on. Phoenix House, team members can also help.
194. 194. 383.
Are you sure about the answer?
194. 194.
9. All right.
194.
Final answer.
194. Yes, ma'am. 194. 194.
Phoenix House said the answer is 194 and it is the correct answer. Well played, Phoenix House. Now round 3 is logical thinking. So children, here the question first one is for Cygnus House. Your parent have 6 daughters, including you, and each daughter has 1 brother. How many people are there in the family? It's a very interesting question. You have to think and then you have to give the answer. Cygnus House,
9.
are you sure about the answer?
9.
Time is going, children. 15 seconds more. Think and give the answer.
Let's go fast.
Are you sure about the answer? Final answer? 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Cygnus House, the correct answer is 9 members. Well played. Very good. Very nice. Next question is for Pegasus House. If there are 3 oranges and
Ma'am,
you
1.
take away 2, how many will you have?
Ma'am, 1, ma'am. 1.
Shikha ma'am?
2. Ma'am, 2.
Ma'am, one.
Ma'am, 2.
Yes. 14 seconds.
Ma'am, 2.
The answer is. Are you sure about the answer?
Yes, 2.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 2.
Can you have 10 seconds? 5. Final answer?
Ma'am, 2. Ma'am,
All right. Pegasus House, your answer is correct. 2 oranges you will get because the question is how many will you have? So the correct answer is 2. Well played, Pegasus House. Well played. Very nice. Next question. This question is for Delphinus House. I have 10 eggs. I break 3. I fried 3. And I ate 3. How many eggs are left? And your time starts now. I'll read the question. I have
1.
I break 3. I fried 3. And I ate 3. You can answer 1 members.
1.
4. Ma'am, it's 7.
The team members, your answer is varying. So please discuss and give the final answer. You have 7 seconds. Final answer.
break it first, then we
Final answer.
answer is 7. 4. It's 4.
Final answer. Give, come on. Time up. Time up.
7, ma'am.
So here the correct answer given by Arya Prabhu. The correct answer is 7 eggs. Good one. Very nice. Good. Let's go to the next one. This question is for Phoenix House. 2 people are in a barn. 10 cats follow them in. How many feet are in the barn now? And your time starts now.
12, 12, 12, 12, 12, ma'am.
24 seconds. Think and give the answer properly.
Think
If you
logically.
are-
Think logically.
42, 44,
44.
14,
But you can discuss with the team member and give your final answer. 10 seconds. Final answer.
44. Ma'am, 44. 44.
Final answer. 3, 2, 1. Oh,
42.
house. Let me tell you, the correct answer is 4 feet because cats, they have paws, and there were only 2 people, so the correct answer is 4.
Can I interrupt 1 minute, Prachi
Yes,
ma'am? I
ma'am,
think
yes,
there's a parent. There is a parent prompting from behind. I could
Yeah,
hear
yeah,
a
I
male
can
voice.
also hear.
Yes,
I can also hear.
I can hear a male voice somewhere from behind. There's a parent prompting. Parent, a humble request. Let's have all fun. Let's enjoy the thing and let's just take it in the right spirit. Okay? Okay, ma'am, you can carry on.
Thank you, ma'am. Next question. Here is round 4. Find the missing digits. Cygnus House, this question is for you. So you can see the numbers. 3 plus 2 equals to 7. You have to think and then you have to give the answer. 5 plus 4 equals to 23. 7 plus 6, 47. 9 plus 8, 79. And 10 plus 9 is what? Think and give the answer. Still you have 10 seconds. Team members can discuss, you can think and give the final answer. 12 seconds more, children. Come on, be quick. 10 seconds more. Anyone, Cygnus House, 5 seconds. 4.
Ma'am, 19.
What is the answer?
19.
Oh, time up, time up. Cygnus, you have given 19 answer, but it was incorrect. The correct answer was 99. So we still have chance in the next round. No problem. Next question. Pegasus House. If 4 plus 4 equals to 20, 5 plus 5 equals to 30, 6 plus 6 equals to 42, 7 plus 7 equals to 56, then 9 plus 9
90.
is what?
90.
Final answer you can take.
Ma'am, 90.
Are you sure about the answer, Pegasus House?
90.
You can still take.
90. Ma'am, 90. Ma'am, 90.
All the team members are saying 90.
Ma'am, 90. Ma'am, 90.
You can give the final answer. Still, you have 10 seconds. Is this the final answer?
Ma'am, 90.
19 is the correct and the final answer, right? So the correct answer is 90. Well played, Pegasus House. Very good. Very nice. Correct answer is 90. The next question is for Delphinus House. 1 plus 4 equals to 5. 2 plus 5 equals to 12. 3 plus 6 equals to 21. So 8 plus 11 is what? What is the question? What number will be here? And then give the correct answer. Come on, children. Delphinus House. You
Ma'am,
have
92.
Yes, Arya?
Ma'am, it's 92.
You can't think, still you have 10 seconds.
Ma'am,
Be
92.
quick. Final answer, hurry up.
Ma'am, 92.
Oh, time up, time up, time up. You gave the answer 92, but the answer is incorrect. The answer for this question is 96. So the answer which you gave is incorrect. So no issues. Next chance also we have. Phoenix House. Phoenix House. 6 plus 9 equals to 61. 5 plus 8 equals to 46.
Ma'am, I told the answer.
After the
Just a
timing,
minute.
just a minute.
Yeah, yes. Someone wants to say something.
96, I told this answer.
But Shima ma'am, this was after the time when it was up. Then we got the answer. That's why.
And Aryan, this is a teamwork. You need to decide, right?
And after the time up, then he gave the answer. Okay, Aryan?
Okay.
So it is not considered. Yeah? Your answer is correct, but after the time you gave. Thank you.
Okay.
Phoenix House, this question is for you. 6 plus 9 equals to 61. 5 plus 8 equals to 46. 4 plus 7 equals to 33. 3 plus 6 equals to 22. So 1 plus 4 is what? Think and give the answer, Phoenix House. Your time starts now. You can see here. Phoenix House, come on. Team members can also discuss and then give the final answer. Phoenix House, 20 seconds. You have 15 seconds. Be quick, Phoenix House. Time is going up.
Ma'am,
Excellent.
five. Ma'am, five.
What is the
Ma'am,
correct answer?
five.
Final answer.
Final answer,
Time up. Phoenix House, you have given the answer 5, but it is incorrect. The correct answer is 6. Okay. So next time we can have this answer. You have a chance still. No problem. Yes. Still we have round and questions are there. Now, it's time for score. So children, I request ma'am to please come and give the score about this.
Good morning, children. Yes, well played, of course. After the first round, Cygnus has scored 20 marks in the first round. Pegasus 40 marks. Delphinus 20 marks, and Phoenix again 20 marks. So the leading team in first round is Pegasus with 40 marks.
Congratulations. Well played. Very nice. Don't worry, the other team also. Still we have more questions and rounds are here. Okay. So next one. Children, this is picture perfect round. Okay. So you have to see the picture properly and then you have to give the answer. So let's see the instruction of picture perfect round. This round would be the picture visual round. Each team would be asked one visual based question. For every question, 10 marks will be awarded for the correct answer and no negative marking for wrong answer. If a team cannot answer the question, then the question would not be forwarded to the next team. Answering time is only 30 seconds. The correct answer shall be declared only after 30 seconds. So let's start, children. The first question here is for Cygnus House. So Cygnus House, see the picture and you need to tell. It is very important to apply what you study. This movie taught this. What is the name of this movie? Cygnus House. Before the time, only the answer has come. Very nice. All right, excellent. So Cygnus House, your answer is correct. The movie name is 3 Idiots. We learn a lot from this. Very good, well played. Next, this question is for Pegasus House. So Pegasus House, here is the question. You can see on the screen the pictures are here. Observe this picture. This movie was based on a famous teacher who taught us whatever may be our situation, if we are
Super 30.
achieved our goal.
Ma'am, Super 30.
Movie.
Super 30 it is.
And the answer has come before.
Ma'am, it is Super 30.
So the correct answer
Super
is
30, ma'am.
Super 30. Very good. Excellent. Very nice, children. Very good. Well played. Next, Delphinus House. The next question is for you. You can observe the picture. What exactly? And then we are going to say
Uri the
answers.
surgical strike.
Determined and hard work, creative and critical thinking will always lead you to success. This movie is the best example. Can you identify which movie is this? Team members can discuss and give the final answer. Uri the surgical strike. Are you sure about this answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Still
मैम मूवी के मामले में बच्चे बहुत होशियार हैं, बहुत अच्छे से इनको सारी मूवी पता है.
So the answer is Correct. Delphinus House. Very good. The answer is Uri. The surgical strike is the correct answer. Well played, team. Well played. Very nice. Phoenix House. The next question is for you. And the picture is here. You can see the picture.
तारे जमीन पर तारे जमीन
तारे
पर
जमीन पर
तारे जमीन पर
तारे जमीन पर
तारे जमीन पर
Problem solving is always better than complaining. Yes. So this movie taught us this only.
Children
So
are
you
not
identify-
even looking for the question, they're simply giving the answers. They're not even getting the
Very
question.
nice, Phoenix House. Well played, children. Now here is the time question. So I request ma'am to please come, and we want to know about the score. Children,
So yes, as we have seen that the moment the visuals were there on the screen and the kids were ready with their answers, so all of you have scored 10, 10, 10. I mean, all of you, Cygnus 10, 10 marks, Pegasus 10, Delphinus 10, and Phoenix 10.
very nice, very good. All team members and team, well played, very good. Now here we have coding and decoding. So children, you need to see here. For this round, I'll tell you the instructions. Pay attention. Each team would be asked one question that would test their logical and analytical aptitude. For every question, 10 marks will be awarded for the correct answer and no negative marking for wrong answer. If a team cannot answer the question, then the question would not be forwarded to the next team. Answering time is only 30 seconds. The correct answer shall be declared only after 30 seconds. So here the question is for Cygnus House. Are you all ready, Cygnus House?
Yes.
Right. So the
Yes.
question is here. Children, you can observe this picture and you can see the different things are here, which is multiply sign is given, and the total is 216. So behind this picture, there are numbers. So you need to think what exactly the number is here. Then again in the second picture, third, and then the fourth line you can see. So you need to tell what exactly is the correct answer for this one. Think. Your time starts now.
All three, no?
Yes, you have to think, and then you need to tell the last one. Well, the question mark is the first picture, what is the number? Second picture, what is the number? And for the third one. You can see, and then you can come on, children, 26 seconds. Yes? Yes, Darshan? Final answer. One and time up. Time up. After the time you gave the
Ma'am,
answer.
they have answered it, ma'am. They have answered it.
Yes.
Yeah.
1 second was only remaining, and the answer gave 3, 6, and 18. The number, it's very well played, Cygnus House. Good. The answer is correct. 3, 6, 18 was the answer. Good, Darshil. Next. Pegasus House, here is a question for you. You can again see the pictures. Observe these pictures. Again, one picture is having one number. So keeping in mind that the number, we need to add, multiply where the sign is given. The time starts now. And then you can see here. First one is 70. Next you have to subtract. And then finally, last here is given that the pictures have some number. 17 seconds, please. Yes, children. Come on, be quick.
5 to 10. Ma'am,
What is the answer?
546. 510. Ma'am,
Yes,
546.
just 1 second was there and the answer came. It was
Ma'am, 5 and 40 and 6.
5, 40 and 6 is the correct answer. When there was only 1 second remaining, I got an answer from the team, which is 5, 40 and 6 is the correct answer. Well played. Very good. Very nice. Pegasus House. Next, ma'am. Next question is for Delphinus House. Now you can see, you observe this picture and you can see here and then you have to identify what number is here at the last, and your time starts now. Think and then give the answer. See the pictures. 20 seconds are there. Come on, team members. 10 seconds more. Be quick. Delphinus house. Anyone? 5 seconds. Hurry up. You need to say 2, 1, and time up. So let me tell you, children, the correct answer here is 10, 17, and 10 was the number which you can put in place of picture. So that was the correct answer. Okay. Let's go to the next one, which is Phoenix House. Phoenix House, here is the question for you. Now you can observe the picture and then you can place a number in place of the picture and then identify. Your time starts now. Phoenix House. Come on. You need to place the number. Think. You have still 15 seconds and give the final answer. Phoenix House, team members, come on, children. 7 seconds. Final answer. 3, 2, 1, and time up.
25, 25.
Time up, time up, time up. So the answer here is 25, 8, 25. Anmol, you gave the correct answer, but then time was up. So we'll not consider that. Your answer is correct. Thank you so much, Anmol, for that. Now, it's the time for score. So we all are very excited to see the score. Yes?
Yes, so in this third round, coding and decoding, Cygnus scored 10 marks, Pegasus scored 10 marks, Delphinus scored 0 marks, and same with Phoenix, 0 marks. So the total after the third round is Cygnus 40 marks, Pegasus 60 marks, Delphinus 30 marks, and Phoenix again 30 marks. So children, now this will be the fourth round, fast and furious round, the rapid fire round. So still there is chance, so buck up.
All right. So let's start with the fast and furious round. So you need to be very fast, as the name is given here, fast and furious. So you have to be very quick with your answer. Children, so here we are going to see in this round the instruction for fast and furious round. Listen very carefully. Each team will be asked to nominate a member from their team. Nominated member will be given 60 seconds for 10 questions in this round. So remember, children, you have only 60 seconds and maximum answers you have to give. For every question, 10 marks will be awarded for the correct answer and no negative marking for wrong answer. Team discussion is allowed. Final scores will be declared after rapid fire round. So are you all ready? Yes? Very
Yes,
good.
ma'am.
Very nice.
Ma'am, but we have to first decide now who will get nominated.
Cygnus House, you can nominate any one of the member. It is allowed only one person,
Darshil.
one team member. Yes?
Darshil.
Darshil, you will give answer from Cygnus House?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So team member is Darshil. Darshil, ready with, you have only 60 seconds. So be ready and all the
All
best.
the best, Darshil.
Give the answers. All right. So here we go. Face value of 8 is 3,82,405 is. So what is the correct answer?
He said, man.
Very good. Very nice. How many 5 minutes are there in 6 hours? Be quick. You have only 60 seconds. 5 minutes. Yes, 5 minutes, 6 hours. Be quick, be quick. You have
Pass
60
it on if you're not sure. Pass it on.
72.
The answer is incorrect. Let's go to the next one. How many 1 by 6 makes 2? If you don't know, you just say pass it on so that we can go to the next one. Okay, pass it on. Incorrect answer. Next. How many legs will 9 octopus have? 9
Ma'am,
or
22, ma'am.
72.
The answer is correct, 72. Next question. Day after tomorrow, Sunday. So what about here is Wednesday? If you don't know the answer, you can pass it on. And the time here we need to say that
Yesterday.
Ma'am, yesterday. Yeah, we said so.
day before is day before. Yesterday is the correct answer. And the next question is 24 multiplied by 25 is how much? Be quick, be quick. If you don't know the answer, then we can move to the next one. Be quick. 24 into 25.
600.
Excellent. The answer is correct. 600. Next. Which weighs more 1 kg? Iron or 1 kg cotton? Be quick.
Ma'am, same.
1.
Same.
It will be same. Very good. Next correct answer is,
Ma'am, who is checking the time?
ma'am, only 10 seconds are remaining. And the last one is, what is the Hindu Arabic value of MMC?
Ma'am, 2000.
It's done, Shika ma'am. It's done. The 1 minute is over. 1 minute is done.
So, what
So-
about the 8th question? Are we considering that correct
No,
or
ma'am,
incorrect?
we are not going to consider because the
Oh,
time is
because-
up. That's why.
Okay.
Yes. So well played, Cygnus House. Darshil was the team member. Good. Now, after this, we'll go towards Pegasus House. So team members can nominate one member. So Pegasus House, please tell about the member who will give answer from Pegasus House. Yes, you can nominate. Discuss about the members. Any one person.
Ma'am, me.
Ragvi, you will give the answer. Team members.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so Ragvi, are you ready? You are the one.
Yes,
to
ma'am.
quick answer. If you want to win your team, all right, you will be given only 60 seconds, right?
Oh.
So, Shika ma'am, we'll start with the question. 10 multiplied by 20 multiplied by 40. What is the answer? Come on, be quick.
Ma'am, 9,000.
Very good, correct answer. Next one. 8 apples are there. You take 4 away and then you return 1 apple. How many apples do you have? Be quick, be quick. 50
Ma'am,
seconds. more.
3.
The correct answer is 3. Next, well played. You are given a telephone and asked to multiply all the numbers on the device, number pad. What will be the answer? Be quick, hurry up. 40 seconds.
0.
Excellent. Correct answer is 0. Next, what is the Hindu Arabic numeral for MDCLXXXV? Be quick, children. You have only 25 seconds. Hurry up. Ragbi, be quick. If you don't know, say pass in so that we can go to the next question. Be quick. 20 seconds.
66,025.
Answer is incorrect. Next one. There is an empty basket that is 1 foot in diameter. Can you tell me the total number of eggs that you can put in this empty basket? 20 seconds more. Hurry up fast. If you don't know, say pass it on. 10 seconds more.
Ma'am, pass.
Next question. 5 seconds. How many minutes are there in 2.5 hours? 4, 3, 2, and 1. Time up, time up. So children, here how many minutes are there in 2.5 hours? The answer here is 150. Okay. So very well played by Pegasus House. Still good played. So Delphinus House, I want one person, one member from the team. You all can nominate and tell me who will
Ma'am,
give.
Arav.
Arav,
Okay.
Arav, you have to give answer for your team. Only 60 seconds and maximum
Ma'am,
answers. Yes.
Can we nominate Mahika?
You want to nominate who?
Mahika.
Mahika, are you there? Mahika, they want to
Yes,
nominate
ma'am.
you. So you will give the answer, Mahika?
Yes.
Okay, so Delphinus House has nominated Mahika. 60 seconds and maximum answer you have to give. Okay, so let's start. Shika ma'am, first question is 3 hours 40 minutes has how many minutes? Be quick. Come on, you have
220, ma'am.
excellent correct answer. What is the amount left over when a number can't be divided equally? Hurry up. 50 seconds. Be quick.
Remainder.
Excellent. Answer is correct. Odometer is mileage. Compass is what?
Direction.
Excellent. Very good. Next one. I am an odd number. Take away an alphabet and I become even. What number I am? Be quick. Be quick. 30 seconds more. Be quick. If you don't know, you can say pass. Hurry up. Hurry up. Next question. The Roman numeral for 956 is? Children, you have 20 seconds more. Be quick.
Pass.
Next question. 7 plus 7 divide by 7 plus 7 multiply 7 minus 7. What will be the answer? If you don't know, you can say pass. Be quick, children. 10 seconds.
Ma'am.
Next question. What are the three whole numbers whose sum and product are equal? Hurry up. 10, 9.
Pass.
Next question. Polygons of 4 sides is called what? Hurry up. 5 seconds. 5,
Square.
4, 3.
Square. Square.
Time up. Children, polygons of 4 sides, it's called quadrilateral is the correct answer.
I know that.
Delphinus House, well played. Very good. Next is for Phoenix House. Phoenix House, I want one team member from here.
Ma'am, Anmol Shukla.
Anmol Shukla. Yes, Anmol. The team has nominated you. Anmol?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So, Anmol, you have to give answers for your team and you will be given only 60 seconds. So, maximum answer. All right? Are you ready?
Okay, ma'am.
All right. So, let's start. Predecessor of smallest 5-digit number is?
This is
Be quick.
of smallest.
What is the predecessor of
number.
smallest 5-digit number? Hurry up. If you don't know, you can pass the question.
Ma'am, pass.
Next. Cricket, bat, tennis. What is that? We can see cricket.
Racket.
Excellent. Very good. Very nice. Next one. If you multiply me by any other number, the answer will always remain the same. Who am I?
0.
Excellent.
Zero.
Correct answer. Next one. Ram has 5 sons. Each of his son has a sister. If so, how many children does Mr. Ram have? Be quick. 30 seconds more. And the answer is?
10.
Answer, be quick. I'm not able to hear. Hurry up fast.
They are telling the answer is 10. Ma'am, 10.
10 is the incorrect answer. Let's go to the next one. Add me to myself and multiply by 4. Divide me by 8 and you will find me again. What I am. Be quick, children. You have only 20 seconds. If you don't know, you can go for the next one. 15 seconds. Hurry up. Anmol, if you don't know, you can say pass and then you can go to the next one.
Ma'am, pass.
Next question. Solve 6 plus 6 plus 6 minus 6 equal to how much? Hurry up fast. 10 seconds more.
Ma'am, 12.
Answer is correct. The correct answer is 12. Next. The Roman numeral for 789 is? 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8. Hurry up.
VIIX.
The answer is incorrect. Last one is successor of largest 4-digit number is. Be quick.
Largest 4-digit
Hurry up. Yes.
number.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
9,000.
So, children, this will be fun. Now, here is the time for score. And children, I'm sure you all are very, very excited to know the score. Yes? Are you all? Unmute yourself.
Yes.
You can say you all excited.
Yeah. Okay. So first I'll announce the rapid fire rounds score. Okay. So Cygnus scored 60 marks.
Very good. Very nice. Give a round of applause, children.
Pegasus scored 30 marks. And Delphinus scored 30 marks.
Very good.
Phoenix scored 20 marks. So this is the score of your rapid fire round. Now, time to announce the final scores. All excited? Heartbeat is fast, right?
Really fast.
Okay, so
I'm
let me
faster and
tell you the
faster
final
finish now.
scores.
We all are ready, Mukti ma'am, for the final.
Okay. So Phoenix scored 50 marks after all the 4 rounds. Well done, Phoenix. Then Delphinus scored 60 marks. Good job, Delphinus team. Now, Pegasus scored 90 marks. Very well done, Pegasus. And we all know now the winner is Cygnus with 100 points.
Yay.
Superb. Excellent.
So congratulations, Cygnus House. Very well played. And
Thank
once
you.
again, we'll give a huge round of applause for each
Thank you, ma'am.
all the team.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now we want to party.
Yes.
Ma'am, we all enjoyed a lot.
Now, children.
You all enjoyed, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
The questions were really very interesting.
Okay.
Yeah, very nice.
Yes.
So here, I would like to say that it is my privilege.
enjoyed.
Children, you enjoyed a lot, everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Even we all
Okay. Children, here on behalf of school management, I would like to thank each and everyone to the dignitary school staff, teachers, and students. Once again, a very big thank you to each and everyone. Give a big round of applause.